Your brand is more than just a logo or tagline. It's the heart and soul of your business, shaping the way your audience sees, feels about, and connects with you. By thoughtfully crafting your brand, you build trust, loyalty, and excitement among your audience, setting the stage for lasting success online. Let's refine your brand with this empowering brand decisions checklist, designed specifically for thriving in today's digital world. Brand decisions checklist for online success. 1. Clarify your vision and mission. Your vision and mission form the foundation of your brand identity. Every branding decision should reflect these guiding principles, ensuring your audience sees a consistent, authentic message. Have you clearly articulated your business vision? Have you clearly defined your mission, explaining why your business exists and the impact you aim to make? 1. Choose strategic brand colors. Colors evoke emotion and create strong associations. Your chosen colors should consistently represent your vision, mission, and the emotional connection you want to create with your audience. Have you selected a cohesive palette of brand colors that reinforce your brand message? Are your brand colors consistent across all digital platforms? 1. Select an impactful brand name. A memorable, simple, and SEO-friendly brand name enhances discoverability and makes a lasting impression. Is your brand name easy to remember, spell, and pronounce? Is your brand name available and secure as a domain and on key social platforms? And if you're new to this channel, I'm dedicated to empowering and inspiring women of all ages and backgrounds. I believe that every woman has the potential to be limitless, and my goal is to help you achieve that potential in your health and wellness, personal growth, career, and relationships. So if you're looking for a place to get inspiration, advice, and support, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's keep going. 1. Deeply understand your target audience. A strong brand resonates deeply because it addresses the specific needs, desires, and goals of your ideal audience. Have you defined your target audience clearly? Do you thoroughly understand your audience's challenges, interests, and aspirations? Are your branding decisions consistently aligning with your audience's preferences? 1. Clearly define your unique value proposition. Understanding what sets you apart from competitors positions your brand uniquely in your audience's mind. Can you clearly articulate how your offerings benefit your clients? Why does your audience love your brand? Why do they choose your products or services over competitors? 1. Create an intentional logo. Your logo should visually capture your brand essence, vision, and personality, using your chosen brand colors to reinforce consistency and recognition. Does your logo clearly and simply represent your brand? Is your logo visually appealing, memorable, and recognizable online? Does your logo effectively use your brand colors to reinforce identity? 1. Establish your brand purpose. A compelling brand purpose tells your audience exactly how your business makes a difference. Have you articulated how your business contributes positively to your audience's lives? Does your brand purpose clearly differentiate your brand in the market? 1. Define your brand personality. An authentic brand personality allows you to create genuine connections by reflecting relatable human traits. Have you created a clear and consistent brand personality statement? Does your brand personality authentically reflect elements of your own personality, facilitating genuine connections? 1. Craft a compelling brand promise. Your brand promise emotionally resonates with your audience, establishing trust and creating powerful connections. Have you developed an emotionally powerful brand promise? Does your brand promise inspire trust and positive emotions? 1. Consistently integrate your brand online. Ensure your brand presence is unified across all digital platforms. Consistency is key to building brand recognition and loyalty. Have you integrated your brand consistently across social media profiles, your website, blog and content platforms, email signatures, digital communication and customer service platforms, online networking groups, and associations. Your brand is your unique story, authentically told, capturing the hearts and minds of your audience. Commit to working through this checklist to build a powerful, irresistible brand presence online, one that sets you apart, fuels your ambition, and empowers lasting success. Type branded and bold in the comments below if you're ready to take your brand to the next level. Until next time, I wish for you great success, love, and happiness. And remember, you are a strong, beautiful, limitless woman.